Morning, Philippines. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. Time check. 7:17. Date check. July 3, 2024. Araw ng Miyerkules. So, 40 days. Sabi nga na, 40 days. 40 days. For today's video, naka-uniform tayo. Mamimimuhan tayo eh. Hindi tayo ng uniform. Katakot na memo galing sa HR. Ang ating matatanggap. So, every Wednesday daw, ito. Green. So, bukas is yellow. So, yun nga, ano ba activities namin kahapon? So, kahapon, ang ginawa namin, again, slowly, nilipat na kami ng gamit sa office. Hindi ko pa nga pala nabibideo office namin, no? Send ko sa asawa ko, no? Sayang. Mas umad. So, yun. Paunti-unti. Lilipat na kami ng gamit. Kaya sa paglilipat ng gamit, inaayos ko na yung data namin na nakuha sa junior police. Ini-interpret, ina-analyze na yung data. Activity ko kahapon, maghapon. And also, aside from interpreting data that we have gathered, we address the issues regarding the system utilization from the concerned offices. May mga questions, siyempre, tulungan natin. So, before we continue, is my wife again, attending her class. Her class? Kaway muna sa vlog. Sweat. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. That was my events and activities yesterday. Interpretation of collected data. Today, I think I can visualize the data that we have gathered, and after that, address the concerns of the offices with regards to their consumption, with their use of the system. So for today, visualization of data, and also I think we can also endorse our stuff, new stuff sa aming HR na, no? I also have here this idea. We could ask or seek katuwang na sa amin dun sa city division with regards to the HRIS, kasi hindi pa rin talaga complete HRIS. Wala pa kami ng data eh. Napagawa ng paraan. Definitely magawa namin ng paraan. Walang pa rin talaga kami sa tao, hindi namin maharap. And yeah, I think wala naman ng iba. Continuation lang. And again, on Friday sa Lasal tayo sa Friday. I don't know kung ano susot ko doon. Siguro syempre chill outfit lang din naman. It's my first time na mag-talk sa Lasal. how with regards to the sustainable development goals relating to education, and how we in city government you know, ma-maximize namin yung ginawa nating system in relation to sa quality education. The design that the approach that we did, the principles behind the digitalization initiatives of our city mayor, yeah, that will be the core of my presentation. Una, define the gaps. I think that's the reason kung bakit may SDG. Meron silang nakitang problema. So my first slide will be the possible scenarios, the challenges, the gap that we are currently facing. Then how we can address those issues. So the first thing we did, the world did, the United Nations, SDG. Dinefine nila doon the 17 SDGs that they need to solve. Then focus ako sa education. Then yun na. Diba? Hopefully madagdagan yung value natin sa LinkedIn. Sa city wala na eh. Hindi na natin madagdagan yung value natin sa city. Yun na lang. Doon na lang tayo sa ating tawag dito, sa LinkedIn profile. $7:07. Yeah, dito na po kami. So, as I walked into the valley of death, I bear the flag of the city government and the ICT division again. So, yun lang naman yan. I think. Yeah, okay. Marami pa rin naman problema. Let us see how we can face it, how we can solve it, how we can entertain the questions, how we can I'm talking about the problem I'm talking about is yung sa city, yung mga deployed systems. Let's see how these problems can be addressed by yours truly, by the ICT division. At least little by little, slowly but surely, step by step. And may naman, may improvement naman. At the same time, yung kahapon meron dalawang office na punta sa amin. Yun ang style na gusto ko, yung bang pupunta sa office or papatawag kami, magtatanong sila about the system, yung bang interest nila, then hiningi nila sa amin yung impact, hiningi nila sa amin ano ba yung kaibahan ng manual sa digital. Yung ganun ba? So, sa part namin, na-introduce namin sa kanila without asking them na pumunta sa amin. Sila mismo may curiosity nila about what's happening nandoon. No? So, in-entertain ko yung mga questions, yung mga boss pumunta. So, yeah. I think we're doing great, doing good. Let us see the way. Yeah, again, I'm also this millennial memo. What can you say about our uniform? Ganda yan. Naming uniform na yan. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm Oscar again. It's a millennial memo. See you again tomorrow.